Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of Pedia. In this video, I will give you a solution to a new problem, how to change background in Google Meet by using phone. So in first step, open your Google Meet app or Gmail and long press on that app and click on app info option and scroll down the page and click on open by default option. And here click on open supported links option and here turn on don't allow app to open links. In this way automatic redirect of link will stop. And now open your browser and now switch your browser into desktop mode. And search Google Meet. And now click on the Google Meet official site and here you can start your own meeting as well as you can join the meeting by entering code. Now I am start my own meeting. Provide the permission of camera and microphone, and in the bottom you have to see 3 dot icon. Click on that and now click on the apply visual effects and here you can see so many backgrounds image are showing. You can set any background image. You also can select an image from your phone. So by simple click on any background image you can set on your background. If our video is informative and help you to recover from this problem, so like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.